I'm going to show you how to install an eyelet, or we also call them grommets. So to install your eyelets or grommets, you have to do a hole, just like installing your snaps. And it's a little more tricky because you have to install this part inside your hole. But then you have to wiggle it in. So I've just inserted my little piece through the hole I made with my owl. And I'm going to use the other part with my tools. So you put this inside the groove there so it stays stable. And you put the ring so you see the good side towards you, and then you insert your tool like this and you hammer. And with this one you want to hammer good because you really want it to be, see here, I could hammer a little more. And this is much better. You have your nice grommet like this.